Hey everyone, Big Z in this one from the Pinnacle, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to convert a list into a table in Microsoft Word. Okay, so I have like 20 countries here, list of 20 countries, and I'm going to convert this into a table, okay, without the numbers here. If you can have it with the numbers, but I'm going to do it without the numbers. Okay, so for this one to work, make sure you don't have the numbers here. So just have it just like a list, a regular list, unnumbered list like this, and go into insert and table. Just, instead of inserting a table here, just go down here, convert text to table. Okay, right here. So it's under insert, and when you see the table image here, just click on it down here and convert text to table here. And number of columns, you can choose the number of columns, and I'm going to choose 3 in this case. So number of rows, it tells you it'll have 7 rows here. Okay, and initial column width, just auto, and separate text and paragraph. Okay, so the rest of them is good. Just click OK, and bam, the table is here. And then just count the number of rows here: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And then there's one empty here because we have 20, right? Instead of 21, we have 20. So 7 times 3 is 21. So that's what it is. That's how the calculation is done. So yeah, you do not have to do anything else. So just insert here, like insert, and then convert text to table. It's not here anymore because we already have the table here, okay? So and then you can move the table up and down anywhere you want. So that's that. It's pretty simple. But if you want to have the numbers showing, you can just Control Z, and table, convert text to table, and still 3 here, number of columns 3, and then bam, you have the numbers here: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then there's a 21 is empty here. So it's simple. It's as simple as that. Any question, comment, let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching this video. Okay, please subscribe. Big Z out.